Let's protect our stillness together. As this channel expands, more and more of the content is being interrupted by ads. These ads are placed automatically and randomly. The content creator has no say in this until their channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This is surprisingly achievable with a little shared intention and simple support. Watch a video while you make tea. Let it play in the background, or subscribe if that feels right for you. Every second and every click helps. My promise to you is this: as soon as the required threshold is reached, I will personally disable every advert that interrupts the middle of any class or meditation, so nothing ever distracts from the heart of the experience. These aren't just yoga classes or meditations. They're intended as a key to your own space of calm and stillness in, let's face it, a very noisy world. When 3 adverts barge into the stillness of your inner sanctuary, for me it's like finding a plastic bottle in a pristine forest stream. It pollutes what is sacred. This isn't about me asking you to subscribe for personal gain. It's about creating something together for anyone who needs a break from the relentless noise of the commercial world. Let's do this together. Walk in peace, Jonathan.